Hey everybody, today is Friday. I just got out of work and I wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's happening with my first FBA shipment. Well, technically it's my second shipment, but the first one was only 5 random items that only cost me like 17 bucks for all that stuff. So it was really small. We won't count that one. I'm just talking about the one that I spent 100 bucks on. I got 25 items from Walmart.com, and I'm hoping to make a profit on those. I sent it off. Well, let's start at the beginning. So I ordered the stuff a few weeks ago, and it looked like at the time I was going to pretty much double my money based on what the prices were at the time and everything. And some of the stuff that I ordered, I got it within just a couple of days because it had the 2-day shipping thing on those items. And I didn't realize that the other items that I got didn't have that, so they took over a week. It was like a week and a half or something before they showed up. So I just didn't send the other stuff until I got all of it. So I sent that in after about a week and a half, and then I sent it in last Monday, and it's now Friday of the following week. So it's been another week and a half or so since I sent it in. And it took, 4 or 5 days to get to the Amazon warehouse. And now only two of the 25 items I sent in are active. The other 23 are pending. So what that means is they have a whole lot of fulfillment centers all over the country, and they want to sort of distribute the items to all the different locations or wherever they're selling the best or whatever, how that works. So those items, they received them in the one in California that I sent them to, and then I guess they only kept 2 of them there, and they sent the other 23 over to the other locations, and that's taking a very long time. And it's a little bit frustrating because I spent this money and I'm like hoping to get some profit. And I'm just sitting here waiting and looking at the website. I check it every day, and it's like, nope, still you only have 2 items to sell. And also, because it's taken such a long time, the prices on the items have gone down a bit, so my profit is shrinking. So, it's a little bit disheartening for my first investment of $100 trying to get things happen, trying to start an online business, and nothing is really happening. So this, I would assume other people have experienced this too. It's a learning experience for me. I will admit that there is definitely a temptation to just be like, well, I guess this isn't working, better just give up and you stop trying. But I'm pretty sure that this is just something that I can learn from, and I can, once I get my money back from selling these items, then I'll have learned a lot, and then I can do it again, and I'll know more about what to do and what not to do next time. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you think I should keep going, keep trying and sticking with it until something positive happens, then please hit the like button. If you think I should give up and stop trying, then hit the dislike button. And if you want to see what happens to me next week, or whenever it is that my stuff actually gets there and I can give you more of an update on what happened, then hit the subscribe button, and I'll be posting more videos on my journey. All right, see you later, guys.